Alright, everything's in the case. The starter's bolted in for good. Got my brand new starter gear right here. This is the one that comes in the kit. Reuse this one because it's got big giant teeth. You shouldn't have any trouble out of it. And then, probably can't see it. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. There's my sleeve for that starter boss. Hard to get a good view back in there, but it doesn't interfere with anything. I don't know if you can see it moving freely, but so anyway, that's it. I've got so this is your one-way, or your big starter gear with one-way clutch on it. And these are the bolts for the one-way clutch. I've got all that tight and red Loctited, and so that's what she looks like all together. I just have to put the stator cover back on. And oh yeah, I was gonna just mention, if you spin this one-way clutch in the direction that the engine would be kicking back, hopefully you can see this gear will flex up. You can see how it kind of flexes up. Hopefully the video's picking that up okay. But try it one more time. Yeah. So you see how it's pulling it up. Now obviously when you put the stator cover on, it supports this end of the shaft as well on both of these. But that's why it busted out on the top, and that's why the bottom isn't really taking any. The bottom is not taking the beating that it is, you know, when it's and even when it's starting, you know, it's trying to flex up on that. So the bottom of that boss is not taking any abuse really like the top is. That's why I think the sleeve around that aluminum boss will really help strengthen it, because it's also transferring force all the way around instead of just at the top. So hopefully that won't allow it to crack. Hopefully I never have any starter issues now. I feel pretty confident about it. Alright, we're going to put this stator cover back on and hopefully button it up and be done. I think getting the gasket to stay where I want it is going to be the hardest part. Because the magnet is going to pull it in once I get it lined up. And there it went. It pulled in. Got 2 bolts through on the top side to try to hold the gasket in place. And it did move a little bit on me. Still trying to get this one started. Alright, all the bolts are started and the gaskets lined up everywhere. Just gonna run these in easy with my gun. Alright, well this video went probably longer than I really wanted it to, but I just wanted to try to be fairly detailed with the process. So all these bolts, they torque to 102 inch-pounds. They give a reading, or they give a measurement of 8.5 foot-pounds in the manual. My foot-pound wrench doesn't go that low, so it's 102 inch-pounds. Only thing left I've got to do is, well, I've got to torque these still, and then I've got to clean these plugs up and plug them back in where they go right here. And then I'm going to wait until tomorrow, probably after lunch, that way that green Loctite can cure, so my sleeve will be stuck good. And then I'm going to call it done. I'll run it, I'll start it up and try it out. So I'm glad to have this done. I feel a little better about it, and definitely thanks to the Wildcat Riders forum. You can search on there and come up with a ton of information for this type of stuff, but I didn't see anybody that had made a detailed video, and that's kind of what I wanted this to be. Alright, here it is all buttoned up. Got everything done. It's been 24 hours since I put the sleeve on with the green Loctite. If you don't sleeve it, you won't have to wait to start it, but I wanted to follow Permatex directions on the green sleeve retainer. So anyway, got all my connections hooked back up. Everything looks good there. I've not started yet, so we'll see what happens here. Let the fuel pump prime. She is. I believe the starter is actually quieter soon. Yeah, it's me. You can hear the choppy idle on this thing. I believe we're in business. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. I didn't know if I was going to shoot this ending. I probably kind of already ended it in the last clip, but I figured I might as well. I hadn't uploaded the video yet, so I figured I'd show the whole machine. It's a little dirty. I haven't washed it since I last rode it, but I did wash the engine off real good with a water hose. So I'll just let it run a little bit, probably drive it around, check the leaks, make sure everything's working good, but I'm pretty sure the starter sounds smoother. Yeah, it's me. I don't know if it's the different gearing or the new starter or the, yeah, you know, I don't know if it's the different amount of teeth. Not amount of teeth, but the pitch, is what I'm trying to say. But sounds good right now, so. Well, I think that's going to be the end of it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching.